Hello, bonfires. Yeah, exactly. I still like the Throne of Peel one better than this one, but it's gonna be nice to have some change in pace. Some variety. If they still drive off now. Oh, no anymore. This pool is a bit unfortunately placed. It's lighting up this area too, not the driving school area. think I might even take me for a ride. Wake me up and steal what's left inside. Three, 4, 5, 6, 7. Hello, Dub Game. How are you? Not used to seeing you here in afternoon streams. I guess I don't really stream that often afternoons anymore. Yeah, whatever. Could be a bit quieter, I think. I wonder if I should erase these walls just by one. I'll do that. Ooh, heavy music. Chief? What's this then? What's going on here exactly? Where? And hold on any longer. Bus can be gotten out if you enter it slowly, move it further from the truck. Done. Decoration. You're off today. Nice. Means that you won't be spreading that nasty virus around. Disgusting. The decorations. Where's that lamppost? Miscellaneous special. Circus lampposts. Where was I going to place this? I have forgotten. Not in the Andromeda area. Right, on this corner. Plop. From the world, hanging on by a thread. Plop. Maybe up here? This is a dumper area. Okay, up here by this. Plop. Where else? Where else do you want a beautiful colored pool? What's this area? Right. Here? Plop. Copy. Hey Dub, do you want to help test this in a bit? Oh! Ooh. Ooh. Plop. La na 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 na. Do you want to test the map in a few minutes? Got in a web, removed from the world, hanging on by a thread. Plop. No web. Wait, you have already played this map, I remember. You can still test with the others, I guess. Bonfire also tested. Yeah, you're also here, Bonfire. I might need a tester soon. Because I'm pretty much just gonna stack some more crates if possible. But I honestly am a bit out of like spots to place crates. I think most of this stuff is just, you know, you don't really see it. Just plop down a crate there. I could plop something here. Ooh, secret passage. Don't want to get people to like get stuck on this ramp, so I'm just gonna block it off. Where am I now? Oh, look, I can put something here. People will not see it, but uh-oh. Uh-oh, uh-oh. Uh-oh, uh-oh. Cool color scheme. Hello, Enrosp. What's this? Also empty space. Decorations. This thing. Hey. Hey. Boxes. That pesky little fly. He's not gonna go. No, no, no. Uh-oh, uh-oh. 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 La 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 la. I don't know what to do with those cars. I'm gonna have to freeze them until the map is loaded. Uh-oh, uh-oh. Uh-oh, uh-oh. Uh-oh, uh-oh. This contraption is weird. I think I'll just have to freeze these cars permanently. Wait, na 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 na. Yeah, I think I'll just have to take all these cars and just freeze them in place. Because I just keep falling through shit and stuff. And I just have a decoration, so it's not like I'm doing anything with them. So freezing is fine. Where's my Super GT? Here it is. Ah, right. Then you want to test? It's as simple as that. Where was that other car? I had a utility truck, but it's just there. I should make like an Easter egg related to those utility trucks. There's also one in the other teamwork. In that case, I'm just gonna place these. Oops. Around your heads tonight, and I'm falling. Na 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 na. Yeah, I'm just gonna take. I'm honestly not sure how I'm. Just gonna have to check whether they're not player vehicles, I guess. I guess. Yeah. Alright. Then let's dive into some code. Done. Freeze vehicles. Let me take off my shirt. Hello, Bones the First. Open containing folder in Explorer. Create new Lua file. Decorative vehicles.lua. Yes. Meta.xml. Sure. Change that back to 19. Yes. Decorative vehicles.lua, and I'm gonna do that on the server side. Open decorative vehicles.lua. When? On the resource start, I suppose. Just flick around your head. night tonight. I'm calling for my silent hands to come alive. Let me do some resource. I still don't know. Repository. My god. What's the word? No, I don't want to. Source control, version control, that's it. Commit. That's a lot of files I have added. Slicker. Siren Slicker. It's loading. Commit. Don't necessarily want to push that. Wee. Done. Close. Alright, what was the changes I just made? I added a file. Solo assistant. Did I not? Yes. Right. Yes. Commit that. Okay, these are some files that get in the way. Remove. Yes. Hi, Jivel. Stage. Fixed some map file issues. Teamwork, driving school, commit. Okay, decorative vehicles. What did I change in the meta? It just flipped weather and respawn time around. Alright, decorative vehicles. When does this get called? On map starting. Alright. On map starting. Freeze. Vehicles. Function freeze vehicles. And the function for IV in get elements by type vehicles. What do? We end it, but we also check if not get pet occupied vehicle of V, then we're gonna freeze element V true. Set element frozen. Set element frozen. I think that's it. Output chat box. Froze a get element model V. All right. Nice hard code. Don't need that anymore, cars are now permanently frozen. If do I want to change the camera on a pre-grid cam now? Not yet. I'll leave it the way it is for now. Yes. Whip. La 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 la. Did I save this though? La la la. Stop the editor and start the race. Nice stuff, game. That's quite neat as too. It's piling up of poop there. Road map driving. Yes, Flaming Pants. Ah. Clouds roll by and I roll with them. Arrows fly. These increase and then fall again. This world is spinning around me. The whole world is spinning without me, and every day since future to past, everything that it lasts to my last. There's new meaning to it all, if not today, nor yet tomorrow, then some other day. And I am not afraid. This world is what is going wrong. The whole world is spinning without me. Future the past. Every test. Da, da, na, 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 na. Ah. Do, 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 do. Pull me under. Pull me under. And this should be singular and not afraid. Ooh. Orange spite. All I can get is to set it right. That's useful information, but I think it works. Dust fills my eyes. Crowds roll by and I roll at them. And that's always cries. And then fall again. This world is nice spaghetti. What was what kind of boat does he have, Mr. Post? Pull me under, pull me under, pull me under, I'm not afraid. Ugh, Automat. I think my Automat only really protects against all the nasty stuff, slurs and stuff like that. Actually, I think Twitch does that regardless of Automat. I don't know if I have Automotive. Probably have it set to setting 1. Just get rid of the nastiest shit. You pass a vehicle when a pet is expected. In that case, it should freeze. Oh. What's the one you posted? Get vehicle occupant. It shouldn't be too big a deal unless you join. 49, 506, 552, 552. I wanted to test this one bit first. There. Pull me out. This is fine. There's no way you're gonna use that to skip the gate. Yeah, okay, that's just the auto run. Forward map, drive. It didn't even. Yeah, whatever. Yeah. Good catch, Jivel. I wouldn't have caught that unless someone joined midway. Let me actually join midway. La 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 la. La 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 la. Oh, that is to join us. Ooh. Cool. What is rule line 29 then? Right. My guess is because I spawn in. I don't know. Alright. I can get rid of this bit now. What a mess of a code. Freeze vehicles, done. That's never going to fail again. Team had an advantage, perhaps a bit more of a revamp checkpoint thing. The first gate opens only when the packet changes back to a caddy or someone picks up a race pickup. It should all. I think this is not actually true, but this is still the case though. I do need to fix that. It's just not entirely what it says here. Collision still messed up. Right. Team synchronized help. Super GT still messes up. No, it does not. Actually, let me mark that done. Let me go into source control, version control. What did I do? I changed the meta. I added the solo assistance back. Yeah, sure. Teamwork Galua. What did I do? Frozen vehicles. Decorative vehicles. Teamwork, decorative vehicles now are frozen. Permanently. Anything else? Commit. Cool. Collision don't work with people. Yeah, I need to work on that. Definitely something wrong with the collision script. Right, this is all collision stuff. What the hell? Who did I message that I don't even have? Hello, Jordan Tyler. I need a different color scheme. This is too light for my eyes. Like it's not, doesn't stand out enough. Setting style. Select theme. Sure. Still dark. Style. Oh. I need something with more contrast in the comments. Not like this. Give me contrast. God. Give me contrast that isn't ugly. Dark background, please. This is no colors at all. Now I'm back at plastic code wrap. Fine, we'll go with plastic coat wrap. This is very colorful. Whatever. I should get VS Code installed. I think, to be honest, this map is... The map is done. I just need to change some fixes. Mostly in the collision stuff. Let's add a new file. Collisions.lua. Yes. In the meta, yes. Script struct equals collisions.lua. Type equals client. Script. Is that spelled correctly? Collisions.lua. Teamwork client. Oh my god. Style. Oh my god. Just give me... Can I just take the default and then swap the white for... No. Style. Huh. Okay, maybe not pitch black. Okay. Okay. Fuck it, we'll go pitch black, I'm lazy. What's this? Okay. Can I not change the white in... Ah. Ah. Okay, hold on. Let me reset back to default. Yes. Ah. Oh god, I messed up the default. Cancel, cancel, abort. No. Settings. Style. No. No. What else did I do? No. Ah. How do I make a new style? I want to make a new theme. How do I? Notepad. Notepad plus plus, please tell me how I... No! 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 Fuck it. Stop. What was my toplet? Obsidian. I just need to make the comments more contrasting. Lua. Lua, comments. Comment. Did that work? Comment. Perfect. There. Now I can read. Maybe now it's a bit too similar to the normal... let me actually go back to style configurator. Come on, let's just give that a bit of a color. Pink. Pink. Oh! Okay, maybe not pink. Maybe, maybe slightly less pink. Oh, perfect. Not really, but close enough. There, save and close. Collisions. It's all in client. Hello, Macedon. Oh, thank you for the rates. I would like having everything be a different color. It's just the default color, the templates that Notepad++ comes with are just atrocious. There was not a single good one in there. But I made some modifications to make shit pink and now it's good. Is this still used? It is. So was there any issue with this code? I don't remember. More Dream Theater. Restart. Whip. RW driving school. It's just supposed to set collisions when you change theme. Okay. Ow. I'll have to check. I should probably build like a debug thing that just spams my chat if user name equals s dot. Then it'll just enable debug messages even on the public server. I mean, like this, it seems to work. This needs comments. So, set collisions. A car has its collisions set by the race game mode. What do we check here? Right, check if a car has its collisions set by the game mode and whether it is being set to yes collisions. There really needs to be a proper opposite of the word no in this context. So I guess yes collisions will be fine from now on in English. It goes. check if the car has an occupant. Okay, that's obvious. Then compare occupant team to players team. If not, set collisions to false instead of true. Alright. That makes sense. I don't see why this code would fail. The only reason I could see it failing is if it just doesn't get called or gets called too early. The resets. Right. But when I was doing Verona Pier the other day with many people, you know that bit next to the dumper that you drive past? I had just gotten out of the dumper and I was heading back to get the second bus. In the meantime, someone came from the other direction from the Yankee, and he was headed for the dumper or for the packer. I don't know, maybe he came from the second bus headed for the packer. And we were going head on. And we went straight through each other, but we didn't. What happened was he collided with me, but I didn't collide with him. So on my end, I went through him. But on his end, I rammed into him. So what happened is I just phased through him and then he went like... I dragged him along with me. So that definitely wasn't like a respawn issue. Like that, we definitely weren't like respawning one of us at that time for a single frame. It could have been that it just happened on my side. I didn't actually pay attention. But I heard Redlove and people say that it is still messed up. It could have been someone joining, yeah. I do not think I have it on video. Alright, I'm just going to assume this works for now until I get more cases. In that case, can someone join the server? Also, I should probably get rid of that. I'll look at this later. I'm also not a big fan of this. I'm just gonna tear this a little bit apart. The key, old value, new value. And if the key is not this, actually if it is, then call this shit old value, new value. If we've already checked for that. Uh-huh. Uh-huh. Yeah. Uh-huh. Yeah. Yeah. Uh-huh. That, yeah. Yeah. I want to actually look. So, oh god. So, oh, I see. Wait, I gotta test this on, like... Oh, this is perfect. Okay, let me see the code. Okay, I am inside bonfire. Can you collide with me, Jivel? Fine, I'll do it with my assistant. I'm not necessarily noticing an issue. Can you, like, collide with me? Okay. It looks like it bounces them around, but bonfire is also moving, so I'm not too sure. I mean, it sometimes bounces and teleports me. Yeah, okay, I noticed some... Okay, yeah. Wait, you collide with everyone? I only collide with bonfire and... Oh. Wait, why do I collide with Jivel but not with S? Where are you? Stand still, Jivel. Ah. Yeah, I'm pushing you. Wow, okay. Okay, let me see if... Output chat box. Get player name of get vehicle occupant source. There's no source anymore. Source player. No. Oh, vehicle. Source. Source. Vehicle. Vehicle, vehicle, vehicle. Vehicle. You lack an closing in 916. So player 1 is get player name local player. Player 2 is get player name of the get vehicle occupant of a vehicle. Then output chat box. Team name 1 is get team name, team 1. Team name 2 is get team name, team 2. Output chat box. Team 1. Player 1. Team 2. Player 2. If it's on, it doesn't really matter. I guess I can add a empty vehicle. Yeah. Error, global string value. Attempt to call global player 1. Oh. Moscow Rugby. Attempt to concatenate a user data value. Oh, team name. Team name. I like how it concatenates from the back. Okay, what does it say? I must have... Why does it say I'm on both teams? What team am I on? I'm on tail lights. I am doing this correctly, right? I have these flipped around. Okay, I'm going off-road, but so is everyone. I think there was a black team in there. I am in team taillights. Okay, but Jivo... Okay, Jivo, can you tell me what it reported to you in chat? I guess I should also add a false true in there. Speed Evolve is now hosting me. It just does not work on... Like, it works on Testing Assistant, but then not on Jivo. Do you collide with Testing Assistant Bonfire? Looks like you do. No, you don't. Okay. So why does it work on everyone but Jivo? You get nothing. Did Bonfire, did you get like chat reports about how about now, Jivo? Okay, because me and Testing Assistant did. But then for... I did make this client, right? Okay, I'm gonna add more output chat boxes. Output chat box alpha. Output chat box Bravo. Output chat box Charlie. Delta. Echo. Foxtrot. And Golf. There's a double end in there. There. Restore whip. Okay, that's a lot of alphas and bravos. Did you get any alphas, bravos in chat? Nothing. Okay, what if I kill myself? It should give you a Charlie and a Delta in there, maybe, and a Golf. Okay, you should have a Golf Bonfire somewhere in there if you scroll up. It keeps spamming. It only seems to set collisions with myself. Okay, let me get rid of the alphas and bravos. I'm gonna kill myself. Charlie. It only sets... Wait, so, you die. Gonna take a lot to drag me away from you. Team Oil Testing Assistant has been set with me. So, Bonfire, did you get a message about Testing Assistant being set with you yourself? Followed by a Foxtrot Charlie Golf. I only got Foxtrot and Golf on testing assistant. Foxtrot, Golf, Charlie, Charlie, Delta, Echo. Foxtrot, Charlie, Golf, Charlie, Charlie, Delta, Echo. I only get Foxtrot and Golf. Oh. How do you get to Foxtrot and Golf without going through Charlie? Okay, I suppose when this gets done, let me add a hotel. I suppose when this gets done, actually let me add an India as well. It doesn't call the event again on others' end, but it does on mine. Charlie, 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 Charlie. Spam. Okay. Am I in the same team as testing assistant? No. Separate bar. Charlie. Charlie, Charlie, Delta, Echo, Foxtrot Hotel, Charlie, India, Golf. So you get Foxtrot Hotel, India, Golf on your end. No, just Foxtrot and Golf. But that could be because here's myself. Foxtrot Hotel, Charlie, India, Golf. I got a Charlie on testing assistant. No hotel. Okay, but that could be because you're in the same team. Foxtrot Golf. Because it checks if you're in the same team. If your team is different, you'll get Hotel in India. If not, you won't. Okay. That's a separate line, so I'm gonna kill testing assistant. Charlie. Charlie, Charlie, Delta, Echo, Foxtrot, Hotel, Charlie, India, Golf. Hotel, Charlie, India. Okay, that's because same team. But if I then kill Foxtrot, Golf, Foxtrot, Hotel, Charlie, India, Golf. Bon, no. Jevel, can you suicide? Perfect. Charlie, 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 Delta, India, Foxtrot, Golf. Okay, you should be getting. Let's go into. Yeah, can you give me the letters you got now? Bonfire. Hello, Sky Kingdom. Foxtrot, Hotel, Charlie, India, Golf. Foxtrot, Hotel, Charlie, India, Golf. And what about you, Jevel? If I kill myself, what do you get? Do you get anything, Jevel? Nothing. Not even a Charlie? You didn't get the Alphas and Bravos either, right? Will do. Hey, Jivel, do you see this? Question mark. I see it. Jivel doesn't. I put it like right in at the beginning of on-client element data change the event. Do you have the updated file? Because this seems to be on your end then. Because we're getting it, I'm getting it, the testing assistant is getting it, Bond is getting it. Yes, sure. That's a lot of spam because you joined. What the hell? And you have the updated file? Oh look, it didn't change his team when he... Okay, but I haven't really worked on that yet, so that's fine for now. But he changed, he got placed in the other team, but we're still... actually, we should be colliding. Derp. That means I can now ram him. I'm gonna ram testing assistant though. Collisions.lua, yeah, it should say at the very top, like, hey, can you see this? Delete the file then? Okay, bonfire, I'm gonna go all the way over here and then we're gonna do a head-on collision, alright? Let's do it. Okay, I'm turning around. Here we go. Bam. You see it now. Okay, so it just didn't download the file. Alright, I'm gonna crash into you then. Restart. So much spam. Yeah, I think it's an MTA issue. I just didn't download the file. Not sure why. Could be a setting. Alright, well, that's that issue. I'm I mean, if MTA just doesn't update your files, that's not much I can do. Like, I can write code to combat it, but if it then doesn't download that code, like, what can I do? So, you know. Right, now let's test the thing that we were going to test. So Bonfire is inside testing assistant. It's a bit dodgy, maybe? It's definitely dodgy, yeah. If you look at it, like just jumping around if we're colliding with each other inside someone else. Not sure if there's really anything I can do against that either, other than the dimension thing, but I'm not sure I want to do that. What just caused testing assistant to spin? What's going on here? I can't really tell because of lag. It looks dodgy, definitely, for sure. There's definitely something going on. Yeah, I observed the same behavior with me and testing assistant. Probably shouldn't be announcing that, British Sparrow. Yeah, what do I do against this other than just teleporting them to a different dimension? Okay, let's go into the bus. Someone of your team. Okay, and then I'm gonna go. I imagine that if there's a lot of people doing this at the same time, it might break. Right now it looks good. But I imagine if there's a lot of stuff going on. No, I don't think it would actually, because it's just changing the model. Like, it's not spamming, hey Jivel, do you see this? Which means that like no element data is being set, so I think this might be fine now. It really just collisions with each other. Alright. Yeah. I'm gonna leave it at this, and I'm gonna need more like cases and stuff to see if I could squash it. Then this. Output chat box. We are doing something special. Why did I put him in windshield washers? Oh, because Speedy Wolf is here. Okay. Yeah. Okay, if I then... if... assistant disconnects... and then it should do team balancing, and then once that happens, something special happens, yes. Alright. And then I'm reconnecting again. And then it's special again. Placed on the windshield washes. Very nice, very nice. That probably shouldn't happen, because that's an empty team. Oh, and then it gets disbanded. Alright, that works for now. It's... Why am I colliding with Bon? Okay, who am I colliding with? Bon? Just Bon. That's because Bonfire was in spectate mode when I changed team, maybe? Okay, let me... Yes, I did. Alright, I'm gonna send testing assistant into spectate mode. It could be an artifact from the weird... spectate mode that I have though. Because... Where's testing assistant? He's still in there. It did do something special, right? When I changed team? Okay, so I collide with you, but you don't collide with me. Right. I'm guessing that is because it just... But it did... It could be... Alright, let me put this back. Okay, team taillights. Yeah, it didn't for me either. S has abandoned your team. Last page up on my laptop. Well, what? Speedy Evolve changed team. The windshield watches bonfire. It sets everyone's. It just doesn't get called properly, it seems. My guess is I got like a lot of people. Testing assistant only got S and testing assistant. But definitely not speed evolve, so I'm guessing I'm passing the wrong parameters. And I see speed evolve is colliding with someone. So I'm passing the wrong parameters. Yeah, it's just a mess of a thing. So someone changes team. Function unknown name for now, and add event some event through add event handler some event got root element unknown name output chat box hi. Now we go into the message that is this code. Auto balance. Trigger client event. What do we have in this? Trigger client event for everyone. Why instead of this? Why instead of everyone? Why not just pass the player that changed team? Player. That's player name. Player. No. Player. Some event, and we want to pass that The responsible player. Some event, and we want to pass that. Player. And here some event, and we want to pass that source. So it shouldn't be doing anything special now. Instead, it should announce the player that is doing something special and nothing else. Okay, I'm gonna reconnect here. Okay, it announced testing assistant. Now if I go change my team, change team, it should announce my name. Yes. Yeah, it does not, Jevo. Not at all. That's intended. That we don't collide yet. Okay, we need a team of 2. Perfect. Who is in team turn, Signal? Bon or Jevo, could one of you disconnect for 30 seconds and then rejoin? Ah, not you, Jevo. Okay, so we'll put Jevo in our team, and it announced his name. Alright. We're not colliding with him yet because I haven't wrote that code. Should have stuck with not me, yeah. And now we'll wait for Bonfire to join, and then it should announce his name. Yes. Alright. And then instead of setting everyone, we just set the responsible player. So we get the vehicle is get pet occupied vehicle of player, and we just set that element data of vehicle, we set that to collide with everyone. And then I don't know what the false means, but this should do the trick. That should be correct. That should only appear when he spawns, not when he joins. I might just put a check though. If not vehicle, then output chat box. Ah! Alright, we're gonna do the same story again. Output chat box. Yeah, let's do the same thing again. Perfect. Alright. Then I'm gonna change team. Change team to 4, and I'm now in Spoon. It announced my name, then it announced Speed Evolve. Let's check collisions. Okay. 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 Alright. What about Speed Evolve? Do you collide with your teammate, Speedy? Oh. That looks like one of you collides but the other doesn't. Oh, I see why. It's because it sets Speed Evolve to collide with others, but it doesn't set others to collide with Speed Evolve. Does it? Do you like collide with anyone, Speedy? No. Like try, yeah, like it doesn't move. So yeah, you can just plow through them. So right, I'm gonna join your team. That's a big A. Okay. 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 I'm gonna leave your team. Okay. We collide with each... Actually, do you collide with me? No. But you can plow through me, right? Yeah. So it sets one way. So I need to set the other way too. I need to bring back I do need that in if not a vehicle, then return. And we'll just wait for when this gets called naturally. Okay, I need to do a check. If player equals wait. I changed team. And that with the result that collisions changed for me on their side, but nothing has changed for me. So that means that we're not actually doing anything on the appropriate player side. The appropriate player side needs to do something else. What else? All this. For the appropriate player, if I change team, not only should I be changed for everyone else also needs to be changed for me. So that's when this code comes into play, and only then. So get elements per type, Vehicle. Set element vehicle, race collide orders 1, false. Still don't know what false means. Oh, that's whether it's synced server side. Okay. Yes. But if it's not me, then we do this. And alright. Don't change team. Restarts. Access denied. I would have to check. I would have to do it with both the leaving team and the new team, I guess. I guess a team check would be nice. But I'm just gonna leave it like this for now. We didn't check collisions, but that's fine. I trust those work. Change team to 2. Alright, let's see. Alright. And on that side, it only reported the one player that changed team. So now, if a player changes team, for everyone else, it will only take care of collisions with that player. And for the player itself, it will take care of collisions with everyone. I think that should work now. Reconnect. Yep. Yep. Okay, I'm gonna restart the thing until we get 2 teams, and then I would like 1 player from the windshield washers to reconnect. Okay. That looks like collisions on both sides. So does that. So does that. I'm gonna see if I can change team before the other player returns. Or between them returning and them spawning is when I'll change team. Alright. You may return. Ah. Ah. This works both ways for me in Jewel, but then it didn't do anything for me in fourth. It just skipped over him. Did you go into spectate mode or something, Speedy Wolf? It just didn't announce your name. Huh? Hey. I just didn't change my collisions with Speedy Wolf for some reason. Did you get a message, Speedy Wolf S? It's just not... It's just not seeing you. As if you're not there. This works fine. This works fine. But then here just... Huh? Restart. Whip. Review. Even if it should work for me, on my end at least, but it didn't do anything on either of our ends. It's like it just got erased from the player list. Now I am seeing Speed Evolve. Alright, somebody... I'm gonna change my team. And then after that, I would like Bonfire to reconnect again. But let me change team first. Change team 8. Joel, Speed Evolve. Okay. Bonfire, can you reconnect again? No need to wait for the... Change team 1, change team... Now I didn't even do anything. Oh. This should be done server sides. Well, not necessarily server side. It should just be synced so that everyone else will get this signal. And then... But it does this anyway if I change team. Like it will call... So no, it doesn't need to be. It will call... Okay, let me put an output chat box in here again. Who is... Yeah. Okay. Output chat box special. That looks like everyone. Special, Jival, Speed Evolve, testing, boom. Alright. So I should have collisions. Or not, rather, yeah? Okay. Then I'm gonna change team again. Yeah, okay. Then I'm gonna change back. Yes. And then I'm gonna change team. Okay, now it's breaking. Why? It does still announce specials. The windshield washers. Why did it just swap me with Jibble? But not with anyone else. And why at a delay? Can you just distinguish between those two? Singular team, please. I can. I'm just wondering why it doesn't do that already. Yes, 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 hotel, yes, okay. A collision set blah blah, correct. Change team back to 1. Alright. Change team to 3. Hotel. Did it give you blah blahs? I didn't get a blah blah. Oh, I did. Blah blah. Okay, so Bone didn't. But it looks like you got 3 blah blahs in total. Yeah, that's correct. Alright. Then I'm gonna change team back. Still hotel. It might have had to do with the vehicle thing being the same number. Still blah blahing. Every time. Okay, it was just a faulty variable then, I think. Vehicle 2, I changed it to vehicle 2. Let's test it in the field now. I'm still gonna leave the special in. Was there any noise in there? That's all. Don't know. Doesn't look like it. If not vehicle 2, then and output chatbox. Arg. I can move this into here. And then I should be able to make this vehicle again, because now it's just... Alright. Yeah, so... I need to rename this as well. We have a special event going on, which is a player is changing team or joining a team. Check if that player is me. If yes, we're just gonna redo the collisions of everybody. Just fuck it. If the player is someone else, we're just gonna take that someone else and redo their collisions. Alright. Who is in Team Taillights? Me and Bon. Oh yeah, that's definitely the weird thing. Alright. Then I will change team and let's see what happens to Bon. Still colliding with Bon, yes. Change team. I like how they're all following me, by the way. Alright. Bon has been placed in the other team. I have abandoned the team even. I am colliding with nobody. Nobody's colliding with me. How about Bon with others? What's going on there with Javel and Bon? I think I was just desync. That looks like mutual collisions. Alright. Let's put this further to the test. And reconnect. Alright. Top. What did it announce on that? Just one player. Alright. We're gonna restart. We want multiple teams, please. Yeah. What was I going to test? Can one of you reconnect? This is the code from the first teamwork map, Creedon, and that code is broken, so I'm fixing it for both. Okay, I've been placed in oil. Hey now. Okay, I guess he just hadn't spawned yet. Alright, that's fine. Yeah, it seems fine at a glance, Credon, but there's a bunch of edge cases that break it. Like if you play normally, without people quitting and without people like changing teams, it works fine. But like if someone joins the server while the game is going on or leaves or it breaks. I think it's fixed now. I want to test one more thing, and that's to send assistant into spectate mode. And then change the team. Whoa. Were you just reversing then? No. Whoa. Okay. I came from Team Black. Alright, testing assistant. Never enough. Oops. I see some arrows. Let me look at those. I think those are just dome arrows. What time is it? 15:30. So it's just admin. Yeah, I figured it out, Steve. It should be needed to set it true. Because it does call it for other instances. So the event is the event exists on his end, on his client side. It just didn't get called for some reason. Oops. All right. I guess there's some error in the team change code, but then the collision code is fine. Hello, Chemix. Alright, I think I can put a period behind this collision code stuff for the time being. I think it's as good as it's gonna get for now. Any issues we just found are issues with other stuff. So, let me rename this. Set collisions I wanna rename this. Evaluate team collisions or something like that. Fuck it. Alright. What does this do? Oh yeah. Then collisions new all be gone. Then this, what does this do? This is a special case collisions. Reset collisions, because that's what it does really. It just resets it to something new. Maybe not reset. Well, it does reset, but not reset as in reset, but like reset. This gap is just which gap? Oh, the bus thing. Yeah, I haven't actually tested the map stuff. I can plop down a red barrier. Yeah, I'll plop down those two red barriers. Let me fix that now then. Don't do anything. Stop. Race. Start. Editor. Don't let me find any objects at Grove Street. I'm gonna load the map so that any changes they undo. Stop editor. Waterworld teamwork? What the hell is that? Ooh, what's this? That just seems... Yeah, it shows up for a countdown for 6 seconds, but I reduced the countdown to 1 second. This seems better now. Wait, what team are you on? Oh, that's because we were... Whoa. Come here. Come here. Okay. Yeah, that's fine. Yeah. Yeah, okay, you guys have fun with that. I'm gonna do some version control. I was gonna rename this. Reset collisions? Sure. It's just so much duplicate code. Collisions. Refresh. Ah, web teamwork. Bullets. Alright, yeah. Stage selected. My driving school TW, minor map edits and fixes. Alright, commit. Did I not commit the decorative vehicles stuff? I guess I didn't. Stage. Meta. Yes, skins 50 please. Okay. Reset collisions. Okay, meta stage selected. Why did it reset the respawn time to 5? Like why? Why? Didn't I commit this already? What was it that I committed if not this? teamwork, driving school. Commit message. What? Question mark. Commit. Teamwork. Stage the meta. And reset collisions. Alright, I'm gonna mark some things as done. Love removal. I like that pink, getting used to it. Is collision still messed up? For now, not. Collisions don't work when people change team. Definitely something wrong with the collision script line 29. Not anymore. Oops. Sometimes when people change teams, it breaks. Very descriptive. Collisions are weird when two teammates collide with each other while ghosting with a non-teammate. I'm just gonna write that down. The first gate on the revamp checkpoint thing. Perhaps a bit more teammate on that thing. Collisions are weird when... Alright. Okay. Collisions that lure. Does that not give me a... Okay, this... Okay. Wait, then I can tell what happened in... log history. What? Oh. Actually, I may check for output chat boxes. Output chat box. Find all in open document. Oh, I still have the in there. Let's not. And the special. Let's not. Empty vehicle. Not care. This all looks good. Hello, Darth Bane, the real Sith. Back to source control. Commit. Settings. Collisions at Lua. Stage selected. Teamwork at Lua. Reset collisions. Stage. Teamwork client. We removed some codes. Do you speak? I do actually. My birthday is at the 6th of April. And with quarantine, I don't think I'll have anything to do for my birthday. So back to work. Yeah. Teamwork fixed a bunch of collision issues. Commit. And then I'm also gonna move those fixes to the other teamwork. Ooh, I just died in your arms tonight. Solo assistant ramps, collisions, decorative vehicles. Oh, I need to put the backup back into web driving soon. Do you want to reload? Yes. Alright. Backups, collisions, solo assistant ramps, not backups, decorative vehicles. Control C, resources, raise TW for an appear, paste, meta.xml. We'll come to this. Move to other view. There we go. Metal.xml. All this. We're gonna add it to the other teamwork. Cool. Then we're gonna take teamwork.lua and we're gonna take we're gonna take this code up through here. And we're gonna go into the other teamwork.lua. Move to other view. And we're gonna go take this. Plop that down. And then I want to tidy up this map editor. Teamwork scripts. Map specific scripts. I think none of these are map specific. No. Okay. This teamwork. Go here. To do Verona specific, driving school specific. Perhaps a bit more in your face with announcements. Place collide for frame. I'm not a big fan. Make the end gate double in case someone glitches past. Can be gone from now. Double check for join leave errors. Trigger event on player. Remove that pet doesn't die. Joiners get put in one team. Revamp checkpoint thing. The first gate only opens. Tutorial is messed up. Collision still messed up. Teams synchronize help account. Swap carry for Tug. Alright. Yes. Then we're gonna go into teamwork client. And we're gonna take... We don't need this anymore. Well, wait, this is... Move to other view. Teamwork client, yes. Get rid of that. We're gonna take this code and we're gonna replace this. Okay, and then I think I have a debug thing somewhere active. Solo assistant ramps. I'll leave that be for now though. What's the command? Raise solo ramps. Oh, I don't have the thing set in the map file yet. Alright. Oops. Ugh. Oh, is that your birthday too, by the way, Dovebane? Huh, now it up. Oh. God. Just need to fix the ramps. Hey, thrown up here. What is it called? No? Is that not what it's called? Oh. Restart, race WP, race WS for one of you. Perfect. Race solo elements. Need to fix those caddies. Right, I need to do some maths. What are these positions? Posets. So I need. Okay, we'll do some maths. 100 minus 25.9 is 74.1. 100 minus 21.6 is 78.4. 100 minus 27.1 is 72.9. 100 minus 18 is 82. 100 minus 24.7 is 75.3. 100 minus 20.4 is 79.6. 100 minus 26.4 is 73.6. 100 minus 17.4 is 82.6. Is that the last one or one more? One more. 100 minus 23.4 is 76.6. Checks out. This kind of dance can never last. Ah! Chief? Oh, I should have only added 30. 30 minus 25. 4.1. 30 minus 21.6 is 8.4. 30 minus 27.1 is 2.9. 30 minus 18 is 12. 30 minus 24.7 is 5.3. 30 minus 20.4 is 9.6. 30 minus 26.4 is 3.6. 30 minus 17.4 is 13.6. 12.6. Is that it? No. 30 minus 23.4 is 6.6. My heart comes filled with desire. That looks good. Some kind of wonderful, yeah. Yep. Cool. All the updates I just made, I added them to Verona Pier as well. Is the heater on? Yes. Because why the fuck not? Cool. I want to do a playthrough of the driving school one. Like a normal playthrough. Haven't played it yet today. Baby, I'm on the phone. Better, anyway. That's really smooth now, I like it. Maybe if you put something on them? I'll be back for the waiting time works on Throne Up Here, but not on this. Could lower it. It's currently hard coded though, so I'd need to change that. Cool. I want to do this as a rider as well. It's so rude honking at him. sick. Yeah, yep. Turn circle on... Oh, on the tug, you mean? These small cars are pretty good for this job. Good try, Dojo. Oh no. Ah. Seems good. One more. I feel my life is in peril here. With how I'm parked on this thing. A success! It's gonna be an explosion nightmare in that corner. I'm still not happy with this bit, but... fuck it, I'm publishing it. I'm honestly not sure how it's gonna work. Like, I don't really know what to do against Andromedas just exploding on each other. Other than not putting an Andromeda. I think this is in a publishable state now. It has some bugs in the generic teamwork code that I can fix. Let me check my mail real quick. The form is incomplete. Alright, yeah. I got some work to do for college, so I'm gonna leave it at this. Probably publish this tonight. We'll have some dinner and some work to do, so I'll do that. So yes, thank you for watching and testing, and I'll be back tomorrow with some Catane. As far as other streams go, I have nothing planned, but I'll probably have some more time on my hands on Saturday and Sunday, and Monday will be Serious Sam. So yeah, stay tuned for that, and I'll see you later. Have a good one.